Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we're discussing MCA new for first year questions. And in this one, we are discussing question number 11. Before starting this, we are providing all the solutions of this PDF, not only for this code, we are providing all the solutions of this other course too and other courses too. So this is the question number 11. If you need answer of this, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen on the below on the right corner. And kindly note this number 90093682338, and you can call or message on this WhatsApp number. Now the question number 11 is saying that given the Boolean expression, draw the corresponding circle where A, B, C, and D are the inputs to the circuitry. So in this one, you have to just find out the Boolean expression further and draw the corresponding circuit. So if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We provide all the solutions regarding this any educational content. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon with the new question.